Hello friends, welcome to TriviaBlitz. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started.
Can you guess this? Is it a sweater, jeans, or t-shirt? It's a t-shirt. Can you guess this? Is it a skirt, pants, or dress? These are pants. Can you guess this? Are these boots, sandals, or sneakers? These are sneakers. Can you guess this? Is it a coat, a sweater, or a jacket? It's a jacket. Can you guess this? Is it a tie, belt, or scarf? It's a tie. Can you guess this? Is it a necklace, bracelet, or watch? It's a bracelet. Can you guess this? Are these goggles, glasses, or sunglasses? These are sunglasses. Can you guess this? Are these gloves, hats, or socks? These are socks. Can you guess this? Is it a backpack, wallet, or purse? It's a wallet. Can you guess this? Is it a scarf, belt, or tie? It's a belt. Can you guess this? Is it a sash, tie, or belt? It's a sash. Can you guess this? Is it a cap, a helmet, or a hat? It's a hat. Can you guess this? Are these mittens, socks, or gloves? These are gloves. Can you guess this? Is it a necklace, a bracelet, or earrings? These are earrings. Can you guess this? Is it a bracelet, earrings, or necklace? It's a necklace. Can you guess this? Is this a watch, necklace, or bracelet? It's a watch. Can you guess this? Are these flip-flops, slippers, or sandals? These are sandals. Can you guess this? Are these shoes, sneakers, or boots? These are boots. Can you guess this? Is this a jacket, a sweater, or a coat? It's a coat. Can you guess this? Are these pants, pajamas, or swimwear? These are pajamas.